Hello there. Welcome to the PC Logist. In previous video, we have given step-by-step guide to download bootable official Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft. In today's video we will show you how to create a bootable USB pendrive for Windows 10 from bootable ISO. You'll require pendrive with 8 GB of capacity, bootable Windows 10 ISO. If you don't have one, you can follow the guide to download by clicking on I button at top right of corner. And Rufus, a software to make bootable pendrive. So let's begin. First of all, download Rufus from official source. Go to Google, search for Rufus, and click on the official link. Now scroll down to download section. You can download setup or portable version. We recommend portable version, as it can be used directly without installing Rufus on your system. Now attach your pen drive to the computer, open Rufus you just downloaded. It may prompt to check for update. You can click yes or no. Now you might see your pen drive under device, or you can select from drop down under device section. After that, select your bootable ISO for Windows 10. If you don't have Windows 10 ISO, you can follow the guide to download by clicking on I button at top right of corner. Under partition scheme select MBR, and let everything else be as it is. Now, click on start. You'll get a warning that your data on pen drive will be destroyed, so make sure you have a backup of your pen drive. Click OK and process will start. It may take 20 to 25 minutes depending upon your PC. You can see the status there. Once completed, it will show ready, and you can close the Rufus. Now reboot your computer. Go to boot menu by pressing F12. Boot menu key may vary depending on your PC manufacturer. Check description for boot menu key of some popular manufacturer. On boot, navigate using arrow keys and select your bootable pen drive from an option. Now, your PC should boot from pen drive. And Windows boot screen will appear. Then, you'll be prompted to select language, time and currency format and keyboard layout. You can choose your preferable option here and click next, then click on install now. Choose your preferred variant of Windows 10 that you want to install. Now choose upgrade if you want to upgrade existing Windows version, like Windows 7 or 8 or 8.1, or you can select custom to format and install fresh copy of Windows. Choose your partition where you want to install Windows 10, usually at C drive on which OS is installed. Now installation process will begin as you can see on screen. Your PC will restart automatically, or you can click on Restart Now. Now, Windows will set few things up for you, then you'll be prompted to choose region, keyboard layout, log in with email ID, or you can create an offline account. In video we have used email ID to sign up. Create a PIN. Choose your preferred settings. That's it. Now Windows will set few things for you, and then your PC is running Windows 10. Congratulations! Isn't it quite simple? Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for easy solutions to your complex PC problems.